The clinic was set up to serve the needs of the working poor, the Notch group as we know them, which is 19% of Arizonans who don't have medical insurance.
Well, when we began the clinic, we love to think back on the day when we opened, when we had put so much effort into having a clinic ready for the herds and the masses that would show up. And on the opening night, there were 3 people.
Currently, the clinic is serving between 7,500 and 8,000 patients per year.
The growth of the clinic has really been phenomenal. When you see where we started, and now to be able to walk through these doors, to see the people who are waiting here, to really receive excellent services from a wonderful staff with medical and dental.
The Neighborhood Christian Clinic is not a free clinic. We made a decision to have a patient charge, which is $20. The reason we've done that is for 2 reasons. One is that it dignifies the patient, gives them a sense of integrity, but it also vests them into their own health care. So if they're paying for it, they feel a little bit more committed to following through on anything that the doctors instruct them to do.
Okay.
You promise?
Promete? Okay. Okay.
This clinic here is state-of-the-art. We have digital x-rays, we have all the equipment that you would ever dream of having. It's a very comfortable place to work, and we have awesome assistants and a great team.
I truly believe that this is not clinic medicine as most people understand it. This is state-of-the-art medical services with far-reaching contacts in the community that allow us to take excellent care of the patients that are here no matter what their medical need is.
One of the great blessings that our patients receive here at the clinic is the option to receive care from a subspecialist. We currently have over 45 subspecialists in the community that will see our patients at no additional charge or for a small copay.
The $20 that we charge a patient, in reality, is about 1/6 of what it costs us in total. And when we compare our cost to a state program for the same services, the state's program is about 10 times of what our cost per patient is.
We're able to do this significant work at such a low cost because of 2 things. The volunteer support of healthcare professionals from throughout the valley, as well as donations from people like you.
Well, our board looks at the Neighborhood Christian Clinic as really a good idea that got better. It's really a partner in the community that we know with the little bit of resources that we give, knowing it's not near enough. They need private donations to be able to succeed. We know that there are many things that still need to be done, and we want to be in the picture to support the Neighborhood Christian Clinic.
We have 2 needs, financial and volunteers. Financial will allow us to continue what we're doing to provide the medications and the labs and x-rays for the patients. The volunteers, by having the exam rooms filled each time that we're open, will reduce the number of patients that we're turning away.
And he sent them to preach the kingdom of God and to heal the sick.
The people that work here have the joy of the Lord in their heart, but more importantly, the people that come here as the patients are grateful. They're so grateful. They're kind, they're gracious, they're grateful, they're needy, and we're able to address their medical needs and their spiritual needs.
At this clinic, we provide comprehensive care. We treat everything. We treat decay, we treat gum disease, we do cleanings. If a person needs their teeth pulled, we'll extract their teeth. We will give dentures, partial dentures, root canals, and even crowns and bridges.
Well, what we're trying to do is to help people get job ready again, to get back into the flow of life. It's really fun to see tears, if you can imagine, when a person looks in the mirror and sees their new smile.
There are tax advantages for our donors who contribute to the clinic to support what we do here. We are a federally organized 501c3 corporation, but also very powerful in the state of Arizona. We do qualify for the working poor tax credit. So a married couple filing jointly can claim $400 tax credit, which is a credit, not a deduction. So they actually get that money back at time of filing of their Arizona tax return. And for a single person, it's $200.
Anyone looking to support the Neighborhood Christian Clinic and those who have the means to do so can rely on this clinic to use those dollars well.
Do you have anything else that you'd like to say?
Pues que si hay alguien que pues pueda ayudar para que esta clínica siga, porque gracias a ellos pues nosotros tenemos a dónde venir y aquí nos ayudan y nos atienden muy muy bien. Por favor, que pues que en el nombre de Dios cada quien nos ayude.
She says that if there's anybody out there that's that's able to help the clinic, that she'd be really grateful for that, because every time she comes to the clinic, patients are treated very well, and that's just, she has no way to say how much that's help in her life and in other patients' lives.
He that hath pity upon the poor lendeth unto the Lord, and that which he hath given will he pay them again.